Good day. I am PMJF, Lion Dr.K Gireesh, physician, neurophysician and neurosurgeon, past district governor, District 3241B, past multiple council chairperson of multiple 324 Lions International. Now, this is the GTT series 18. GTT is nothing but Gireesh Train the Trainers program. I'll be answering the questions on various facets of leadership to mold the young leaders of tomorrow. This is on behalf of Lions Club of MADRAS Excellence, District 3241B. In this series, GTT series, I'm addressing what are the various leadership styles that one can adopt as a leader in the Lions Clubs International or Lions International. Leaders in the Lions International use different leadership styles depending on the situation, team maturity, and organizational goals. No single style is ideal for every circumstance. And there are about 10 different types of leadership styles described by various personalities at the different periods of history. The autocratic leadership, 1. Democratic leadership, 2. 3. The laissez-faire leadership. 4. Transformational leadership. 5. Transactional leadership. 6. Servant leadership. 7. Visionary leadership. 8. The coaching leadership. 9. Situational leadership. 10. The charismatic leadership. So these are the 10 different types of leadership. Briefly through these. The autocratic leadership is a directive leadership, commanding. Leaders makes decision independently. Quick decision making is very useful during emergencies, like during a flood relief operation. The club president immediately assigns team for food distribution, medical aid and logistics without lengthy discussion because urgent action is required. The advantages of this are fast decisions, effective in crisis situations. The disadvantages are members may feel excluded, can actually reduce the creativity and participation by the members. Democratic leadership, that means participative leadership. And in this, the members participate in the decision making, encourages discussion and consensus, the leader. Example, before selecting the annual service project, the president of the club seeks suggestions from members and conducts a vote to choose between a vision camp, a diabetes screening camp, or an environmental project. So that is democratic leadership. The advantages is high member engagement, better acceptance of the decisions, and the disadvantage, decision making may be very slow. Laissez-faire leadership, that is delegative leadership. The leaders provide minimal supervision. The team members have substantial autonomy. An experienced project committee is entrusted, a member or a leader is entrusted to organize a blood donation camp independently, while the president will be monitoring the progress periodically. That exactly is a laissez-faire leadership. This encourages innovation, the advantage, builds leadership skills. Disadvantages may lead to lack of coordination if members are inexperienced. The fourth is a transformational leadership. The characteristics are the leader inspires members through the vision and motivation, focuses on the growth and the change. And in a Lions Club, a district governor inspires the clubs to launch a district-wide healthy aging 360-degree initiative, motivating all the members to serve senior citizens across multiple communities. The advantages are inspires enthusiasm, promotes innovation and growth. Disadvantages are requires strong communication and commitment, very, very important. And the fifth is the transactional leadership. The leader is based on clear expectations and rewards. Performance-oriented it is. The committee chairs who successfully achieve the membership growth targets are recognized with awards and public appreciation. That is transactional leadership. Advantages, clear accountability, encourages goal achievement. The disadvantages may focus more on the results than the relationships. That's very important. And the sixth one is the servant leadership. Leader serves first and then leads second. That's very important. Focuses on the members' needs and development. For example, the president of a club spends time mentoring the new members, helping them understand the lion's values and encouraging them to lead the projects. Advantages builds trust and loyalty, creates future leaders. Disadvantages, decision making can sometimes be very slow. And seventh one is the visionary leadership. That's the seventh component, or the style. Provides a compelling long-term direction. Help members see the bigger picture, like multiple council chairperson, or you can say district governor, envisions making the district the leader in environmental sustainability and mobilizes the clubs to undertake a large-scale tree plantation project, which will be very good in the long term for the environment. So advantages, it creates purpose and direction, encourages commitment. Disadvantages, require strong communication skills, very important. And eighth is the coaching leadership, that is focuses on developing people, provides guidance and mentoring. A senior line mentor, he mentors a new zone chairperson on conducting the meetings, membership development, project management. This is what we do actually in the Ph.D. schooling as well as the RC or the region chairperson, zone chairperson schoolings. That is a coaching leadership. There is advantages, it builds the leadership pipeline, improves the member confidence, and disadvantages, time intensive. And the ninth is a situational leadership. The leadership style changes according to the situation and the team maturity. Example, autocratic during the disaster relief, commanding, democratic when planning an annual project, delegative when working with an experienced committee. So you change the style accordingly. Advantages, you are very flexible and practical, matches leadership to circumstances. Disadvantages, requires very good judgment. See, you must understand what is the situation accordingly. And the 10th one is a charismatic leadership. Influences through the personal charm and enthusiasm. Motivates the members emotionally. A dynamic district governor energizes members during conventions and motivates them to exceed the service goals. Advantages are inspires high commitment, creates enthusiasm, and disadvantages, over dependence on the leader may occur in a charismatic leadership. So you can vary the styles accordingly. Autocratic in a disaster relief decision, democratic selecting an annual service project, laissez-faire experienced committee person managing an event and your leaders monitoring or the president monitors, transformational launching a district-wide service movement, transactional awards for membership growth is based on awards, servant leadership mentoring and supporting members, visionary long-term district goals, coaching develop future club leaders, situational adapting style to circumstances, charismatic, motivating the members during convention. A successful line leader combines the multiple styles. Servant leadership to serve members, transformational leadership to inspire change, democratic leadership to encourage participation, situational leadership to adapt to challenge. This combination helps build strong clubs, develop future leaders, and advance the line's motto, we serve. That's indeed briefly on an overview on the various leadership styles, what a leader can adopt. Thank you very much.